Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use VPNs to unlock cheaper flight price in 2025. You will just choose a reliable VPN like Hotspot Shield VPN, NordVPN or Express VPN. I will suggest you for Hotspot Shield. This is the best proxy Wi-Fi. So I will be just turn it on, but make sure you will just turn it on. You will just clear your cookies and cache in your browser. I will be on this privacy and security, and you will just simply just tap on it this one, delete history and clear cache. So I will be just tap on it before history. I will just tap on it, simply delete it and clear cache. Now what to do, I will be just turn it on the hotspot shield VPN. So basically change your VPN server location right over here, but I will be just selected automatically. So I will be on Skyscanner menu. Just connect your VPN to another country locations, and you will just select it your from and where to go, and you will just select your departure date and return date, like on 5th March, and you will just go for search. So let's see. So right over here you will see this is the cheapest flights right over here. So in this way you will just use your VPN server to another country locations, and you will just find the cheapest flights right over here. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.